Hi, we're at the first day of the Australian Chambers Business Congress here in Melbourne, and the first day is about the Chambers Forum, where chambers of commerce from across Australia get together to share ideas. And I'm catching up with some people to get their ideas on the day itself.
Well, I'm finding it quite long already. Early start, delayed flight, but nevertheless, well worthwhile already. It's often difficult to identify what the benefits are from a conference like this, but already I've got new ideas and there's a good energy around it.
Tony, are you finding a similar inspiration here today?
Oh, absolutely. You know, from a regional point of view, you don't get to really see how other chambers are working throughout Australia, and today, especially when you start looking at the International Chamber of Commerce and the World Federation Chambers of Commerce, what they're doing behind the scenes from a global perspective and how it filters all the way down to regional New South Wales in my case. It's really exciting to know that sometimes we feel like we're alone, but we're not. We're part of a bigger picture.
Absolutely, so we can see synergies from what's happening at a world and global level right down through to a regional and local level.
Well, I think the synergies exist. Whether we can see them or not is another thing, and I think that the idea of communication is the issue. There are wonderful services available to our local members through our New South Wales Chamber. Not all of them know about them. And similarly, if you keep going up the chain, there are great services available for the international organisations that I'm sure many of my members would not know about. So the issue is communication, making sure that they understand if they need assistance, it's going to be available to them through that chain. And as Tony said, being part of a very big worldwide group. It's always good to know that you're not alone and that the challenges and difficulties that you're facing are probably shared by many other people in business.
Well, we seem to be a part of a large group here today, and in fact the next session is starting. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, thank you.
And thank you very much.